Okay, we're gonna start this episode off with this is episode number 5, day 5 that is. Our other map was getting cluttered. And so as you saw, it was gonna just this trip takes like to 25 days, 26. And was gonna be no space for this. So luckily I made 2 maps and I cleaned it up. You see you got your day 1, day 2, 3, 4, on such and such. So, and also change it to over here so I can get a better idea of what I'm doing. Please bear with me because it's taking me time to figure this out by reviewing this since this happened like over 3 years ago. So today's episode, we started off in Joplin, ran to Kansas, crossed that borderline, came back through Missouri, ran over to Arkansas, hit Memphis, ended in Jackson, Mississippi. So 576 was the mileage for that day, 3,668. So basically it looks like this on the map. Started over here, ran back up, jumped back across, dropped down, hit that Memphis, ran it straight down to Jackson. So that's day 5 right there. So let's go. Let's see how it went.
Yeah, I kind of forgot that. They gonna give you all long ball. Come on, that's all you got get ready for the race. That's just a good little stretch.
I will say this. When you come out here, be prepared. This road will whoop your ass. I've seen the hot, I've seen the wet, I've yet to ran into the cold. Dealing with detours, outrunning the storms. It's a challenge. We got a good crew of people who have done this before, so I'm just following with them. Mr. PJ, Mr. Nate, Ghost, and a few other guys. You know, they leading the way. We just going. We at the Arkansas borderline now. I don't know where we're going. I'm just following the lead. All 20 of us. I don't know if you ever rode in a pack of people before. When you get a chance to look at it, you're like, ooh, that's a lot of people, a lot of things to manage. But everything's going pretty smooth. You got to manage your room situations, your gas situations, know who gets the less gas mileage. A lot of figuring goes into this. And if you got an old bike below 14, I recommend don't go for the super distance. Some other people pointed out to me that with the older bike is good around town, if you jump out there and get a few thousand, most likely something breaks. The parts aren't in stock at Harley Davidson because it's older. You know, even my bike is considered almost an old bike now. Mine's a 16. But in 8 bikes, you know, that's the new stuff. And so the parts for my bike are somewhat still on the shelf too. But yeah, that's what was told to me. Because when you lock in at 100 to 95 miles per hour for 70, 80 miles at a time, man, your weak points will get exposed. Just saying. That's whether it's new or old. You could have had that one built on a Monday. It's got a weak point. This type of situation is going to make it come out. That's all I got today. Drink this beverage and get ready to get back on the road. Here we are on BB King Street, right around the corner from Bill Street. over here at a FedEx Forum. We're in the house, roll out the red carpet for brothers when they come into town. You know, get a little something. PJ, what it do, man? What we doing today, man? Where we at?
Getting the man look sweating and all wet.
Oh yeah, man.
But it's good. We still pounding.
We still pounding.
I'm glad.
People watching this want to know where we going, man. We going everywhere?
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
In the United States, coming to a town near you.
Or a freeway, or a local street.
Freeway near you.
To do their thing. I'm glad to see them come through here.
And we did.
Yeah.
We got Zar right here, boy.
Oh, yeah, Zar.
Zar getting his eat on, his drink on. He's gonna get back on the ground. He just stopped and do for about 15 minutes.
It wasn't even 15. I said 10. I got to go.
He said, we got to go. We got to go. Y'all, we two outsiders, two guests, as they say, that let us ride along. Man, where you coming from, man?
From Phoenix.
He started from Phoenix. He's gonna do around the world. Man, we out here to get this patch. Not saying we trying to join the club.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So he putting his work in join the club. People ask me, am I patching up? Man, we just gonna ride, man. Right now, we gonna leave that on the back burner. Right now, we gonna enjoy this, get these miles, get these experiences.
Get that yonder.
Yeah. As most, I say, I'm just out here motorcycling. That's all, just motorcycling.
Well, everybody at annuals, we get miles.
That's right. That's right. Y'all see this young man right here and this young lady? Man, we was coming into Jackson, Mississippi by way of Memphis. Rolling at nighttime, raining. We stagger in the pack and we rolling. I'm sitting in the back. Guilty was behind me for the longest, lighting me up with that light. I was like, man. Then he got tired of me leaning back because I'm like, I don't know where I'm going. But the whole thing is, when you ride with a pack, you need to stay with the pack, especially if you don't know where the destination is. So I had to pick up my game. Behind me, there was this bike, and I could not figure out where these lights are coming from. Who is behind me? Because I knew I was in the back. Man, it was nighttime. We picked it up to about almost 100 or so. Camera, the GoPro was dead, so there's no footage of it. But you hear the testimony of this young man behind us. We were getting it. And then we ended up in Jackson. I said, man, come over here, get something to drink, get some of the chicken, man. You know, you was down. And, you know, he was like, man, he saw some bikes going the other way. He just wanted to go. Him and his woman was just out for the day on a night adventure. Man, they got in where they fit in. Check this out. Who was running in the back? Who was in the back?
Who was in the back? You? That was you and one other person almost got wiped out. Him. You know that car coming almost like I kicked the fucking mirror off. Hey.
I was in the back. Oh, he was back there. I said, who is this FLHT with us? I saw a light behind me. I'm like, he owned me.
But that's what I'm saying. We got to understand, man, when we're riding out here at night, you can't crowd each other, man.
Oh, yeah.
Because the slightest drip, you might hit a curve, and then you
yeah, it's over.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all into people on the curve.
That's why I was falling back.
It's hard work. You look up, he's zipping up your side. God damn.
Oh, he
fuck you come from?
Uno just did that to me a few minutes ago. silent ass pipe. Shut it. Where did it come from?
Skip, that's serious, man. Huh? Why'd you knee on that thing?
On it.
I roll an MC out of fucking Tennessee, so I know how it is. You know what I mean?
I got a question. We was rolling back there. About how long you think we was going and how fast?
Which time?
When y'all was in the back, cause I kept seeing those FLHT lights, and I was like, "Who is this person back here? He right here with us."
We wanted to ride with somebody because motherfuckers don't respect the bike. Y'all was rolling good. And I said, "Baby, we got to catch up with them because they heading south. We can ride with them because we were coming out of Tunica. Coming out of Tunica. We live in Jackson, Tennessee. So we coming out of Tunica. I said, baby, I was going to surprise her. She ain't never been to New Orleans. We just doing a fucktard bullshit. We're off a couple of days. We're going to go to New Orleans. I said, I heard the bikes rumbling. We just filled up. I said, goddamn, we got to catch up with them. I said, if it's an MC, we can't ride with them, but we can ride behind them, and hopefully they won't mind, and we'll make some time. We caught up with y'all. There were some points in time that we were doing. I was trying to catch up to y'all, goddamn running 115, 120.
You was getting out there.
Y'all have it.
I was the white bike in the back, and I kept seeing lights. I'm like,
you was the one in the very back?
I was
the one that said something to me whenever I pulled up?
No, it wasn't me. I didn't say nothing, but I saw you back there, and I was like, they pushing me. I gotta keep focused because they pushing.
No, I was like, I didn't know. We'll see. All the MCs around where we're from. Yeah. They don't wear helmets like y'all do.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you wearing half shells, or you know what I mean? So I'm like, this has got to be something different. I honestly swear to God did not know that y'all were an MC until we pulled in this fucking parking lot and I started seeing everybody's cuts. You know?
Okay.
You kicked me off.
Hey, we was getting it. We got a testimonial right there. The man said he was sitting and getting it with us. Gotta go.